So you've written a new song and recorded it on your laptop. Great, but now what? Here's an intro to music publishing for musicians starting right now.
Know your rights.
Know that as soon as you take an original idea and you affix it into tangible form, you inherit an exclusive bundle of protection rights called copyrights. Register your copyrights.
To strengthen your song copyrights, know that it's best to register them with the Copyright Office in Washington, D.C. before you publish them so that you can sue anyone who tries to rip you off. Publish your music.
Know that publishing your music simply means releasing your music to the public, such as when you release your music via CD Baby to Spotify and you find other cool uses for your music too. Collect that income.
Know that publishing your music often leads to 4 main sources of income for you, including performance royalties, mechanical royalties, sync fees, and print monies. Affiliate with ASCAP or BMI.
To collect performance royalties when your songs perform on Spotify, for instance, you need to register with one of the 2 major performing rights organizations in the US, ASCAP or BMI. Register with the MLC.
To collect mechanical royalties in the United States from the copying of your songs initiated by Spotify and other digital service providers, you need to register your songs with the MLC or Mechanical Licensing Collective. Learn about sync fees.
To collect sync royalties from the licensing of your music in film, television, video games, get Introduction to Music Publishing for Musicians to learn more about how to pitch, license, and place your music, and learn more about music publishing in general.
He just had to do the shameless plug for our new book.
Learn about print royalties.
To collect print monies, know that music printers rely on hit songs that generate healthy single-song sheet music and book sales. So while print money can be lucrative, it is typically the smallest source of publishing money. Sign with a music publishing company.
Be clear that in order to get an established music publisher to publish your music for you, pay you in advance, and collect generated income worldwide, you typically need to prove that you can publish your music on your own first. So get started today. If you want to learn more about how to get a major music publishing deal, be sure to check out this next video that can help you turn your art into a more successful business. My name is Bobby Borg.
And my name is Michael Ames.
Peace.